This is just a quick tutorial to show you how to take a video using your Chromebook webcam. To start with, you need to open up the rest of your apps or the launcher on your Chromebook. You can see here I've got the camera. You can also search camera here, or if you hit this up arrow, it'll take you to all the different apps on your Chromebook. You can just select camera and it'll launch the camera here. And once you have the camera up, it's right now it's on the photo. So if you hit the button, it would just take a photo. But if you go up and click on the video, it'll now take a video of yourself. So I'm going to just go ahead and hit record. Here's the video of me demonstrating how to use the camera. When I'm done, I just hit stop and the video is going to show up right here. And if you right click on it, it should take you to a gallery so you can kind of view that video and see it. From there, you have now saved the video and it's hopefully going to show up here in your files under the Recents tab. And there's that video that I just made just a moment ago. You can see that was at 125 and now it's 126. So pretty simple.